Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Bitbucket on Oracle Linux 8.5. Bitbucket Cloud is a Git-based code hosting and collaborative tool developed for teams. Bitbucket's best-in-class Jira and Trello integrations are designed to bring the whole software team together to execute a project. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. We are using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Install the following packages. Now I am going to download the Bitbucket package. Use the following command. Long list of file. This is the downloaded package. Now I am going to rename the downloaded file. Now long list of file. Now I am going to grant permission to the file. With full access. Add firewall by using the below command. Reload the firewall. Configure Bitbucket by using the below command. Now run the Bitbucket by using the below command. Once it is completed, go to browser. Enter the IP address. With the port number 7990. This is the welcome page of Bitbucket setup. With this, how to install Bitbucket on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.